Hello, everybody. This will be a quick Bitcoin and Ethereum update for 3/16, March the 16th. What a wild move last night. We came up, filled the single prints at around 41,700. And then we kind of rejected sharply off of that and then came back down. Then we kind of came up back again. And right now we are rejecting off a local resistance, a golden pocket, from the swing high to the swing low right here. And that is at around 40,600. Right now I am in a short right now because we did have a large bearish divergences forming on the 12-minute time frame. So I'm in a short. Anyways, on the way down right now, the local supports that I'm looking at are the golden pocket, which is taken from here to, actually should be from, let me correct that, should be from up here. That's actually the same, so I'll just delete that one. But anyways, just a local golden pocket from this swing high, or this swing low to this swing high right here. And we're getting a golden pocket at around 39,500. That is ultimately what I'm really looking for a long based on that. But we can also come to the 0.5 fib level, which I've noticed has been well respected with Bitcoin for bounces. And so that's coming around 39,740 roughly. We also have a VWAP from this swing low right here that I took, and we're getting confluence with a 0.382, which is coming around roughly $40,000. So that will probably be my first take profit to lock in that trade. But just looking a little bit higher from that wick up, I did map that out and put that in as a possible swing failure pattern coordinate, and that's coming around 41,737. Also, just looking down at supports, really there really is not too many supports right now, but if we do lose this support, I expect us to come much, much lower. Again, we have wicks at 36,920, and then just going to a higher time frame. We also have this 786 at around 36,624. And of course, we can still come down and test this higher low trend value line. And that is coming in at around 35,560. That is also in confluence with a sort of daily and a naked daily point of control. So just a major, major, major support to be aware of. Local resistances, again, we have another wick coming in around 42,700 roughly. Slightly above that, we do, or below that, I should say, we are getting a point of control from this little range right here, along with a naked daily point of control coming around 42,080. If we do crush above that, we do have this point of control right here from this range we were trading in before this massive move down, coming in around 43,500 roughly. We are also getting nice confluence with a daily level in that. Also, if we do tend to reject down from this general range where we had lower lows or lower highs coming in, we can also reject at around 45,000, and that is also in confluence with a bunch of wicks along with a naked daily point of control. So that is pretty much it for local analysis for Bitcoin. Also, another thing to look at is the 21 EMA. Right now we're getting a red dot printing. However, money flow and momentum is kind of coming up. And so we could get a bounce from that 21 exponential moving average, which is ribbon 5 on market cipher A. And that is still coming around that 39,700. So I'm really looking for that general area to take a long from. The higher time frames, if we go to that, we are did have a green dot printed on the daily time frame. Money flow is like coming up. It wants to go into the positive, so that will be very, very bullish for Bitcoin. Right now we are printing a green dot right now. However, it's not as strong because we do have the RSIs kind of split. The 3-day, we are getting a green dot printing right now. This one looks kind of strong. The only thing that's really impacting it is the money flow is making lower lows in a way. But the weekly, this is what surprises me, and this is what makes me kind of more bullish in a way, is that we did have money flow coming down last week into the red, but now it's coming up into the green, meaning this could be a possible reset of the market, and this could be very bullish. We do have the RSI split showing that we were very oversold, and so this could give Bitcoin some legs. The 2-week, this is still yet to happen, but the VWAP is so close to the 0 line, we could get a green dot printing on the 2-week time frame, which could be very, very bullish. And the monthly, let me just go to the Coinbase chart, and yeah, that's kind of going sideways. So I wouldn't be surprised if we kind of go up to 46,000 and kind of reject off of that based on what the monthly time frame is telling us. But enough with Bitcoin, let's go on to Ethereum. Ethereum, I drew a local golden pocket from the swing low to the swing high. We're getting a golden pocket at around 2,640 roughly. We also have a golden pocket down here from the swing low to the swing high from last night, coming at around 2,592 roughly. We are getting also confluence with this fib pull of a 786 at around 2,553, along with a naked daily point control at around 2,547. So it is possible we could come down to there, but most likely I do see Ethereum kind of bouncing off of this $2,623 level. Also from last night, I did map out this wick for a possible swing failure pattern. It is also in confluence with a daily level, and so that's coming around 2,735 roughly. We also have a wick just a little bit higher at around 2,772. Also, just going to the 1 hour time frame, kind of zooming out. If we do get this bullish scenario pump, we also have a golden pocket to look out for at around 2,815. If we do crush above that, we have a 786 around 2,917, along with this trend line that we were kind of forming as Ethereum was making lower highs with Bitcoin. So it's really a move that would break above that. If we come above that, I expect a possible resistance at around 3,000. Again, if we reject off of that, we could be seeing much, much higher. So anyways, just quick for supports, we could still come down to this lower trend line where we're making higher lows. It would lead us to around 2,400. We also have a naked daily point of control, along with our parallel channel from way back for the past 2 years. We were trading in kind of sideways level along with Bitcoin. So this could be still a possibility of coming down and then just kind of pumping based off of that support. And so that is pretty much my plan for today. Again, if you guys like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Plus, I'll leave a link to a free Discord in the description where I post all my trades along with other crypto related ideas. Thanks. Bye.